Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. So in this series, we are going to learn Python. So in the Python series, we are going to cover the basic concepts and advanced concepts and real-time scenarios. So as part of basic concepts, we are going to learn Python introduction, variables, how to declare a variable, and what are all the different data types available, conditions, what are all the different conditions, loops, error handling, how to automate files, folders, web automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, machine learning algorithms. We are going to learn each and every topic from the basic level. First of all, we will see what are all the advantages in Python. So let's suppose if you want to become a data scientist, or if you want to learn machine learning or artificial intelligence algorithms, or else if you want to handle huge volumes of data, if you want to convert unstructured data to structured data, the formatted data, or if you want to visualize the data, or else you can automate everything like web, Outlook, files and folders, logging mechanism, error handling, web development, or if you want to develop a basic games, so computer graphic, each and everything we can easily learn by using Python. So we no need to write multiple lines of code like other programming languages. So we have all predefined modules. Just we need to utilize those predefined modules, and we need to write just 2 to 3 lines of code to achieve critical problems. So in this series, we are going to learn each and every topic. Let's suppose if you are not done programming before, or if you are not having any fundamental skills like what is data type, how to start programming, how to declare a variable, something like that. If you are not familiar with any basic fundamental concepts, is also absolutely fine. Why? Because we are going to learn each and every topic from basic level to advanced level. You will understand the basic fundamentals, practical knowledge, real-time scenarios as well. So learning a course is different, and implementing the scenarios or concept in the real-time project or is completely different. So in this series, you will learn the basic fundamentals and how effectively we can utilize these concepts and advanced scenario concepts in real-time scenarios. So let's get started. So as part of this Python series, we are going to learn artificial intelligence, machine learning, basic concepts, Numpys, Pandas, data visualization, matlabs, and also we'll also learn few practical scenarios, something like generating QR code like Paytm, uh, phone pay, Google Pay. Daily we are going to scan QR code to no money transfer and all. So we are going to generate QR code with the help with 2 to 3 lines of Python code, with help of 2 to 3 lines of Python code only, not more than that. Even Alexa functionality like converting text to speech, speech to text, opening audio files, video files, generating OTP, validating OTP, automating web like WhatsApp, Outlook, other web applications, and handling date and time, logging mechanism, printing different patterns like stars, love shapes, symbols, patterns, something like that, pyramids. We are going to print each and everything. So we are going to learn each and every concept with the help of an example. So hope you will enjoy this series and learning Python. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or series on Python, basic and advanced concepts. Thank you.